Hi, today we're going to discuss a closing checklist for a buyer with financing. With the new year, people are going to start looking for houses. So let's talk about what we have to know. The first step is to review the loan estimate. You need to confirm all your loan details, including interest rate that you're going to be paying, monthly payments, and closing costs. Make sure it's affordable what you're looking at, and do that before you start looking so you don't have your hopes dashed. 2, once you've identified a home, you're going to want to do a home inspection. And you want to ensure that the home inspection has been completed and any negotiated repairs have been addressed. In today's world, a lot of stuff is an as is, but that's another story for another day. 3, we're going to get an appraisal. We want to verify that the lender's appraisal has been conducted and that the property value supports the loan amount. It's hard in these days because we haven't had a lot of sales, but there's strategies for that as well. Another video. Title search and insurance. This is not going to be on you as a buyer, but your title company is going to do all this stuff, look for liens, and see if anything has to be addressed. You want to be conveyed a clean title. And you have to purchase title insurance to protect against any future title disputes. Basically, I hate to say it, but most people don't need title insurance, but it's mandatory. 5, homeowners insurance. You must obtain homeowners insurance before you close, especially if you're getting a loan. That'll all be discussed with your lender because they're going to require it. Final walkthrough. This is usually conducted through with your real estate agent to make sure that the property that's being conveyed is the same as what you saw when you purchased it, because oftentimes we've gone 30 days without entering the house again, so you want to make sure no one ran away with the curtains, which happens. Review the closing disclosure as a 7th step. You want to carefully review the closing disclosure document at least 3 days before closing to confirm that all is right and that all terms and costs are there. If there's any prorations, you want to make sure those are correct. For 8th step, you want to secure your funds for closing, arrange for a wire transfer, or obtain a cashier's check, although we don't do that anymore either. But if you are paying that way, get your cashier's check ready. 9, on the day of closing, you're going to be signing all your closing documents. You're going to attend the closing meeting or not, because now we can do virtual closings with virtual notaries. We want to review all the legal documents, including the mortgage and the deed. That's on you with your help of your realtor. Number 10, you want to transfer the utilities. So hopefully the seller has closed off all the utilities. They usually give a 3-day grace period in which the utilities run. So you have 3 days usually to reconnect the utilities to your name. And 11, you want to receive the keys. That's the best part. Once all the documents are signed and the funds are transferred and we have a confirmation of the transfer, you get the keys, and congratulations on your new home. 12, you're going to have to make sure that the deed is recorded. Of course, that's also on the title company, not on you. It takes about a month to show it in Broward County and in Dade County and in Palm Beach County to actually show it up in their database and what's called their tax appraiser's website. Post-closing tasks. You want to change your address with the post office. Of course, I shouldn't even have to mention this, but you'd be surprised how many people forget. You want to update your address with your driver's license, your banks, and other institutions. You want to set up a maintenance schedule for your new home. So that's hiring a gardener or a pool cleaner. Usually your seller will have those just to hand over to you, and if you want to make changes later, you can. So I hope that you have a smooth closing process. If you have any specific questions for me, I'd be happy to answer them. I hope this wasn't too long-winded. I look forward to helping you in the new year. Happy 2025.